Welcome! You are about to see a life-changing system. I know, you heard this before, your email box is probably full of offers, you probably get bombarded on Facebook and every other social network. Seems like a new deal every single week that's ready to change your life. You probably even fell for some of those and paid out a lot of money only to fail miserably. Well, this is different because we don't want your money. Yes, you heard that right. Put your wallet away. So the big question is, can you afford free? Everyone can afford free, and that's the beauty of this system. You are about to find out about the TCP Lifestyle System. This system has been around over 2.5 years and has created tons of success stories in over 49 countries. We have paid out an obscene amount of money and changed a ton of lifestyles, and you can be next. How would you like to live a life where you can buy what you want when you want? Take luxury vacations because money is no object. Drive your dream car. Live in your home of your dreams. Even quit your stupid job. Sounds good, right? I bet you want to know how all this works. First, you will get the ultimate marketing and tools system. It's been rated 5 stars and converts like crazy. We have the testimonials to prove it. Second, you will get mentored by top money earners step by step. We're talking about million-dollar earners taking you by the hand. There is zero guessing. This system has been proven to work and has generated huge incomes for people that use it. This system is free. No credit card required. Can you give away a page like this? Because it's free, you don't hear excuses like, I live paycheck to paycheck, or what's it going to cost me? This system is whiner-proof. Hundreds of people per day join us from this exact page. Let's face it, nobody says no to free. So the big question is, why wouldn't it work for you when it's working for everyone else? If you can just give away our system, you are on the fast track to a drastic lifestyle change. Again, people are making obscene incomes. Or you can keep doing what you have been. How has that worked out for you? See the next page, how to get started with the TCP Lifestyle System. We can't wait to help you achieve the success you have always wanted.